Hi, my name is Sir Weish. Today I will show you how we can use AI in VS Code Editor to generate complex image processing programs. Firstly, we will make a program that detects motion using device camera and print the motion detected message on terminal of VS Code Editor. So let's start. We will give the prompt, write a code in Python to detect motion of an object, use device camera, print motion detected message, use OpenCV library. Let the code generate. It will take some time for code generation. Now insert this code into a new file and then run the code. We can see that the code is running. After few seconds a new window is opened with output from the camera. Here we can see that whenever there is motion in the camera, the motion detected message is printed in the terminal. The program firstly draws a box around the object and, if the box changes its position, in reference to its coordinates, then the message is printed in the terminal. Now let's try to see that, if this program detects motion when two objects are in frame and only one of them move. As you can see that, when we bring another object in frame the message is printed in the terminal. We can also see that when two objects are already in frame, and only one of them moves, the message is printed on the terminal. We can change the code in whichever way we want by giving more prompts to AI, but we will talk about this in another video. Thanks for watching, give this video a like, and share with others.